Alright, so I had a little fun project here that I was planning. I bought a $13 remote control car and ended up having to wire a PDB and 5 volts back to it to get my camera to work, but I put my caddx tarsier on this thing and basically made an upgraded version of the EMAX toy that came out not too long ago. This one, the caddx tarsier has EIS, which is the electronic image stabilization, and what that does is the post-production version that you get on the SD card tries to get out some of those jiggles and wobbles. So I was curious how that looked on the RC car side. Definitely taking this thing outside and around the office. I also have a couple other things coming in the works. My first RPM filter quad, a Runcam Racer Nano that I'm looking at, a caddx Ratel that I'm looking at, and a caddx Turtle V2 on a brushless tiny Whoop that's coming up as well. But until then, we'll have a lot of fun with this thing, and see you next time.